867 Jacaranda Drive here in El Centro. Let me give you a tour. This beautiful Desert Oasis home is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,300 square feet with beautiful upgrades such as this Corian countertop, tile flooring, stainless steel appliances, and these high vaulted ceilings. Upstairs you have a great little office area, bedroom, bathroom. Now this is a master bedroom featuring its own master suite. Now, who wouldn't want this as a backyard? Thank you again for touring this beautiful home with me again on 867 Jacaranda Drive here in El Centro, listed for only $339,900. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Again, thanks for watching.